Alright, Chris is now opening the final gift. Let me go back to bed. It's not even 6 a.m. yet.
Yep, back to bed.
The boy is convinced it's a chicken suit. What'd you get, boy? What'd you get?
What?
What is it?
It's a little...
It's never too late to learn good leg skills, son.
Really?
Oh, baby walker. That's
Activity
good.
walkers.
I'm sure this is not what it is. They just somehow found the box like
This is going to keep you occupied for hours. Your mom and I could have some alone time.
Mom and Dad need alone time. Put the baby in the walker.
Where's the black one?
The boy, the knife, the boy.
Careful, son, please. I don't want to have to go to the doctor today.
I do. No, okay.
Baby walker.
I'm sure they're probably closed on Christmas.
It's really a chicken suit. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
I'm sure it's not, but if it is,
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Pull it, pull it. Let's give it a little help with the knife.
The chicken suit!
Put the knife down.
Red Rum!
Hey, more screaming.
no way!
You like it?
No way! No way! You gotta shoot it at. Well, you shoot. No way.
Look at the front of it, the grip tape. You'll know how we got it here.
702, I saw.
So who do you want to thank to help us get that here?
Thank you very much, Jay. Awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, son.